Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain experiment number 2, working with data using pandas. The aim of this experiment is to perform data manipulation, analysis, and pre-processing operations on the Titanic dataset using the pandas library in the Python. Pandas is powerful Python library used for working with data. It helps us read, organize, filter, modify, and analyze dataset easily. In this experiment, we used the Titanic dataset, which contained information about passengers such as passenger ID, name, age, gender, fare, cabin, and survivor status. Before performing the task, we import the Pandas library, load the Titanic CSV file, and create a copy of the dataset using df.copyof. Um, First, we find the column that contain missing or null values using the isNull of dot sum of function. This helps us identify incomplete data. Next, we display the data type of every column using dtypes. It shows whether the data is integer, float, or object. Then we generate the statistical summary of the dataset using the describer function. It gives values like count, mean, minimum, maximum, and standard deviation for numerical column. For non-numerical column, it shows count, unique value, stop value, and frequency. We filter the dataset to display only the passenger whose gender is male. We count the total number of male passengers. After that, we display the name and age column for the first 25 passenger who number value is C, which stands for um, we display the passenger whose age is greater than 20 and whose survivor status is 0. This means passenger who were about 20 years old and did not survive. Um, Next, we display the first 10 rows where the age column contains missing or not a number values. Then we calculate the maximum, minimum, and average fare using the max of, min of, and mean of function. We display the unique value present in embarked column. The values are C, Q, and S, which represent Queenstown and Southampton. We create a new column called new fare. Um, by adding 100 to every fare value and then check the size of the data frame. After that, we permanently remove the new fare column using the drop off function and compare the data frame size before and after deleting. Next, we remove all rows containing missing values using drop down and observe the data frame size after removing them. We appended two new rows to the data frame using pd.can cutoff and then check the uploaded data frame size. We fill all missing values in the cabin column with A100 using the fillNA function and compare the null value count before and after filling. Then we group the passenger based on the embedded column using group by of. This gives the number of passengers from Queenstown and Southampton. Finally, we sort the entire data frame based on the fare column using the sort value of function. The Titanic data frame was successfully analyzed with the Pandas library. We performed different operations such as checking null values, viewing data types, generating statistical summaries, filtering record, handling missing values, creating and deleting column, appending new rows, grouping data, and sorting the data frame. All the required output were obtained successfully. Thank you.